Hi, ako na sabni si Wendy. Tara, manlaag ta. This was a fun day with my co-teachers in our school. This is inside a subdivision where you can rent a house to have barbecue or anything you want to do, like rest or chika-chika lang sa imong mga friends. Pwede kaayo ka mag-rent diriya. Mao ni siyang exterior sa balay. One of the interesting part of the house is ang billiard table, and mao ni siya nga area diriya. And of course, so naa kita ta og 1 piso. Let's take a picture. Another room is ang mahjong room. So, nice kayo ilang light sa mahjong room. And ako lang ning i-flex ang ilang automatic nga taga-balasa. O, I don't know, balasa ba ang term sa kanang tiles.
Okay,
para sa tiles. And of course,
ready.
Try to show. So, flip. And got it. And we have our chef in the kitchen. This is the husband of our co-teacher. He's a really good cook. And dili mawa ang isda. Kay gimingaw na kayo sa isda. Wala diri kaayo. And for fruits and vegetables, the noodles. Lami kaayo. And with mushrooms and some spinach. And then we had to help each other sa pagtuhog sa mga barbecue. Oops, flex lang na ko akong dakong mata. And this was outside sa front sa balay where we did our barbecue. Naagod tao yung manok nga di nakalaag. Kita ninyo nga na ay manok. Tiil sa manok. And pork barbecue. Barbecues were ready. Eggplant and beans, beers, pampahilis sa pork barbecue. These are the bedrooms and the well-lighted stairs. So pretty. And the baby of the hour. So cute. Look at those cheeks. And dili mawala ang video okay room. So, hala, birit! And then, billiards na pod. Wala dyan na to nakuha ang pagka-Efren Bata Reyes. Wa dyan. Sorry. Alright. Tara, erase na to itong mga right foot sa mga hilig magduwa. Yes na yes. And And that's the end. We are saying goodbye to everybody and it's time to go home sa among mga tagsa-tagsang mga balay sa city. Once in a while, hopefully we can go out and enjoy, still following pandemic protocols. Stay safe everyone and God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!